The Cosmic Connection, Exploring the Unity of All Life. Welcome to Consciousness Chronicles, where we explore the depths of the cosmic connection that binds all life together. Join us as we delve into the interconnectedness of the universe, the resonance between ancient philosophies and modern science, the wonders of nature reflecting cosmic harmony, the role of consciousness in shaping our reality, and the mysteries of the cosmos. Stay tuned to uncover the unity of all life and our place within the vast tapestry of existence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to support our journey of exploration and discovery. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure. The interconnectedness of the universe revealed through quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement is a mind-boggling phenomenon that highlights the interconnectedness of the universe at a fundamental level. When two particles become entangled, their properties become linked, no matter the distance between them. This means that a change in one particle instantaneously affects the other, regardless of how far apart they are. This concept challenges our traditional understanding of spatial boundaries and highlights the idea that everything in the universe is interconnected in some way. One intriguing aspect of quantum entanglement is that it seems to suggest the existence of a hidden order or communication system that transcends our current understanding of space and time. This phenomenon has been observed in countless experiments and continues to fascinate scientists and philosophers alike. The implications of quantum entanglement extend beyond the realm of physics, sparking discussions about consciousness, interconnectedness, and the nature of reality itself. Researchers are actively studying quantum entanglement not only to deepen our understanding of the universe but also to explore its potential applications. Quantum entanglement plays a crucial role in the development of quantum technologies, such as quantum computing and quantum encryption. Harnessing the principles of entanglement allows scientists to create powerful tools that could revolutionize various fields, from information processing to cryptography. As we delve further into the mysteries of quantum entanglement, we are confronted with the profound realization that the universe is far more intricate and interconnected than we ever imagined. This concept invites us to rethink our perception of reality and opens up new avenues for exploration and discovery. By probing the depths of quantum entanglement, we are unraveling the intricate web of connections that bind us to the cosmos, revealing the hidden unity that underlies all of existence. Exploring how ancient philosophies resonate with modern scientific theories. Ancient philosophies from various cultures around the world often contain wisdom and insights that resonate with modern scientific theories. For example, the concept of interconnectedness found in Eastern philosophies like Taoism and Buddhism aligns with the interconnected nature of systems in chaos theory and network theory. These ancient teachings emphasize the idea that everything in the universe is interdependent and part of a larger whole, a notion that echoes in contemporary scientific understandings of complex systems. Similarly, the ancient Greek philosophical idea of the harmony of the spheres, which posited that the movements of celestial bodies create a harmonious, mathematically precise order, bears resemblance to modern astrophysics and the mathematical elegance found in the laws of nature. The notion that the universe operates according to precise mathematical principles reflects a convergence between ancient philosophical intuitions and contemporary scientific investigations into the underlying structure of reality. Moreover, the concept of impermanence and change, central to many ancient philosophies such as Stoicism and Taoism, finds parallels in the scientific understanding of evolutionary theory and quantum mechanics. The recognition that all things are in a constant state of flux and transformation aligns with the scientific observation of change at both the macroscopic and microscopic levels. This correspondence highlights the enduring relevance of ancient philosophical insights in light of modern scientific discoveries. By exploring the intersection of ancient philosophies with modern scientific theories, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnected nature of human knowledge and understanding. The resonance between these seemingly disparate realms of thought invites us to bridge the gap between past wisdom and current scientific advancements, fostering a holistic approach to exploring the mysteries of the universe. The convergence of ancient philosophies and modern science serves as a reminder that wisdom transcends time and culture, offering valuable perspectives on the nature of reality and human existence. Unveiling the wonders of nature and how they mirror the cosmic connections. Nature is a wondrous tapestry that offers profound insights into the interconnectedness of all life and the cosmic connections that bind the universe together. From the intricate patterns of a snowflake to the spiraling galaxies in the cosmos, the wonders of nature mirror the underlying unity and diversity that permeate the fabric of existence. By studying natural phenomena, we can unravel the intricate web of connections that link the microcosm to the macrocosm, revealing the profound beauty and complexity of the universe. One captivating example of how nature mirrors cosmic connections is found in the phenomenon of fractals. These self-replicating geometric patterns can be observed in various natural structures, such as branching trees, coastlines, and fern leaves. The presence of fractal patterns in nature reflects a fundamental principle of self-similarity and scale invariance that echoes the fractal nature of the universe at large. Through fractals, we witness nature's ability to encapsulate the essence of cosmic connections within the bounds of a single leaf or a cloud formation. Furthermore, the study of ecosystems highlights the intricate interdependence and interconnectedness of living organisms within a specific environment. The delicate balance of energy flows, nutrient cycles, and symbiotic relationships in ecosystems exemplifies how nature operates as a unified system of interconnected parts. By exploring the wonders of ecosystems, we gain a deeper understanding of how the cosmic connections manifest in the diverse web of life on Earth, showcasing the unity that underlies biodiversity. Moreover, the phenomenon of bioluminescence, where organisms emit light through chemical reactions, serves as a captivating example of nature's ability to reveal the cosmic connections in unexpected ways. Bioluminescent organisms such as fireflies, deep-sea creatures, and certain fungi illuminate the night with their ethereal glow, demonstrating the awe-inspiring beauty and mystery that permeate the natural world. The luminous displays of bioluminescence remind us of the enchanting ways in which nature unveils the wonders of the cosmos through its myriad forms and phenomena. The role of consciousness in shaping and understanding the unity of all life. Consciousness plays a pivotal role in shaping our understanding of the unity that underlies all life forms and cosmic connections. Through the lens of consciousness, we can explore the profound interconnectedness between individuals, communities, ecosystems, and the broader universe. The ability to perceive, reflect, and interact with the world around us sheds light on the intricate web of relationships that define our existence and the collective tapestry of life on Earth. One fascinating aspect of consciousness is its role in fostering empathy and compassion towards other beings. By cultivating awareness and empathy, individuals can recognize the shared essence of consciousness that unites all living beings, transcending boundaries of species, culture, and geography. This enhanced empathy enables us to appreciate the interconnectedness of life and develop a deeper sense of compassion for all forms of existence. Moreover, the exploration of altered states of consciousness, such as meditation, mindfulness practices, and psychedelic experiences, provides unique insights into the nature of reality and the unity of all life. These alternative states of awareness offer glimpses into the interconnected fabric of existence, dissolving the illusion of separateness and revealing the underlying unity that binds us all together. Through the exploration of altered states of consciousness, individuals can access profound truths about the cosmic connections that permeate the universe. Furthermore, the study of consciousness in quantum physics and metaphysics introduces intriguing perspectives on the role of consciousness in shaping reality and understanding the unity of all life forms. Concepts such as the observer effect, non-locality, and interconnectedness shed light on how consciousness influences the structure of the universe and reveals the interconnected nature of reality itself. By delving into the mysteries of consciousness at the quantum level, researchers and spiritual seekers alike uncover profound truths about the fundamental unity and interconnectedness that define our shared existence. Delving into the mysteries of the cosmos to grasp our place within it. Exploring the mysteries of the cosmos unveils profound insights into humanity's interconnectedness with the vast expanse of the universe. The study of astronomy, astrophysics, and cosmology provides a glimpse into the grandeur and complexity of the cosmos, inviting us to contemplate our place within its vast structure. By observing the movements of celestial bodies, studying cosmic phenomena, and unraveling the mysteries of the universe, scientists and astronomers alike deepen our understanding of the interconnected web of existence that extends beyond Earth's boundaries. One fascinating aspect of delving into the cosmos is the discovery of exoplanets, planets beyond our solar system that orbit other stars. The exploration of exoplanets offers tantalizing possibilities of alien life forms and diverse ecosystems existing within the vastness of space. By uncovering and studying these distant worlds, astronomers and researchers gain valuable insights into the potential for life beyond Earth and the vast array of planetary systems that populate our galaxy and beyond. Moreover, the study of dark matter and dark energy presents a captivating avenue for understanding the unseen forces that shape the universe. Dark matter, a mysterious substance that makes up a significant portion of the universe's mass yet eludes direct detection, challenges our current understanding of the cosmos and calls into question our perception of the universe. Similarly, dark energy, the enigmatic force driving the accelerated expansion of the universe, poses a profound mystery that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and compels us to rethink our place within the vast cosmic landscape. Furthermore, the exploration of cosmic phenomena such as black holes, neutron stars, and supernovae sheds light on the dynamic and evolving nature of the universe. These cosmic entities, born out of the fiery crucible of stellar evolution, showcase the incredible forces at play within the cosmos and underscore the interconnectedness of celestial bodies on a cosmic scale. By delving into the mysteries of black holes, neutron stars, and supernovae, scientists uncover essential clues about the life cycles of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the intricate dance of matter and energy that shapes the universe as we know it. The Cosmic Connection, exploring the unity of all life. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey through Consciousness Chronicles. Explore more profound insights into the unity of all life on our channel and unravel the mysteries of existence. Subscribe to stay connected with us and like this video to support our shared exploration. Keep expanding your consciousness with us.